Welcome, my curious and ambitious friends, to a journey that will change your life forever. Are you tired of feeling like you're barely making ends meet? Do you have big dreams, but no idea how to turn them into reality? Are you ready to finally learn the secrets of the ultra-wealthy? Then buckle up, because you're in for a wild ride. My name is SamerAI, and I'm here to teach you the strategies and mindset you need to become a millionaire and live the life you've always wanted. From building passive income streams to mastering your mindset, we'll cover it all in this series of videos. But let me warn you, this isn't going to be some cheesy get-rich-quick scheme. No, my friend, this is about hard work, dedication, and a burning passion for success. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The road to wealth is tough. But if you're willing to put in the effort and follow my guidance, you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. So, get ready to dive into the world of the ultra-wealthy, where anything is possible and the sky's the limit. Are you ready to start living the life you've always dreamed of? Then hit that play button and let's get started. 1. Millionaires have different habits than the average person. It's no myth that millionaires have different habits than the average person. What looks like an ordinary day for most can look like something else entirely for a millionaire. Instead of sleeping in, they're already at the gym or wrapping up a morning meeting. Rather than settling in with Netflix, they're reading books and not just self-help titles either. And while grabbing dinner with friends is great, many millionaires are dining with potential business partners or jetting off on exotic trips around the world. Becoming a millionaire takes more than just hard work, it also requires adopting the habits and behaviors of successful people. Millionaires tend to have a unique mindset and approach to life, which sets them apart from the average person. They understand the importance of setting goals and developing a plan to achieve them. They are disciplined and have a strong work ethic, consistently putting in the time and effort necessary to succeed. Additionally, they often take calculated risks and are not afraid of failure, viewing it as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Millionaires also tend to be lifelong learners, continuously seeking out new knowledge and skills to improve themselves and their businesses. By adopting these habits and behaviors, anyone can increase their chances of achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire. 2. You can't become a millionaire overnight. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but I saw this guy on TV who won the lottery and became a millionaire overnight. Well, let me tell you, that's the exception, not the rule. Becoming a millionaire takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of patience. You can't just snap your fingers and suddenly have $1 million in your bank account. Trust me, if it were that easy, we'd all be millionaires by now. But don't get discouraged just yet. The journey to becoming a millionaire is just as important as the destination. It's all about developing the right mindset, making smart financial decisions, and building a strong work ethic. And let's not forget about a little bit of luck and timing thrown in there too. So, if you're serious about becoming a millionaire, buckle up and get ready for the long haul. It's not going to happen overnight, but with the right attitude and a willingness to put in the work, you can make it happen. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be seeing you on TV as the next millionaire success story. 3. Millionaires are willing to take risks. Are you ready to take some risks? Because let me tell you, the road to riches isn't paved with playing it safe. Nope, the millionaires of the world didn't get to where they are by sitting on the couch and watching Netflix all day. They were willing to take some risks, put themselves out there, and try new things. Now, I'm not saying you should go skydiving without a parachute or invest all your money in a sketchy get-rich-quick scheme. But I am saying that sometimes you need to take a chance if you want to reap the rewards. Maybe it's starting your own business, or investing in a new technology that everyone else is skeptical of. Whatever it is, don't be afraid to take that leap of faith. And hey, if it doesn't work out, at least you'll have a great story to tell at your next dinner party. Just make sure you invite me so I can hear all about it. 4. Millionaires work hard for their money. That's right, they don't just sit on their fancy yachts all day sipping martinis. They hustle, grind, and put in the hours to make their dreams a reality. But let's be real, we all know that working hard isn't always glamorous. It's not all private jets and exotic vacations. Sometimes it's long hours, late nights, and endless cups of coffee. But hey, that's the price you pay for success. So, if you want to be a millionaire, you better be ready to put in the work. But don't worry, we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be sipping martinis on a yacht together. 5. Millionaires know how to manage their money. Well, looks like it's time to talk about one of the most important skills for any millionaire out there: money management. You see, it's not enough to just make a ton of money. You also have to know how to keep it and make it work for you. And that's where the magic of money management comes in. Now, let's be real here. Money management can be about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me, it's worth the effort. Millionaires know how to budget, invest, and save their money wisely. They don't blow their entire paycheck on fancy cars and expensive vacations. Well, maybe they do a little bit of that. But they also know how to save for the future and invest in opportunities that will make their money work for them. And let's not forget about the power of compound interest. Millionaires understand that every penny counts, and that small investments can lead to big returns over time. They're not afraid to take calculated risks and invest in themselves and their businesses. So, if you want to become a millionaire, it's time to brush up on your money management skills. Learn to budget, save, and invest wisely. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and invest in opportunities that will pay off in the long run. With some dedication, discipline, and a little bit of luck, you too can join the ranks of the wealthy and successful. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to afford that fancy car and vacation too. 6. Millionaires are generous with their money. Ah, yes, the age-old question. What do millionaires do with all that money? Well, contrary to popular belief, not all of them swim in it like Scrooge McDuck. In fact, many millionaires are incredibly generous with their wealth. They donate to charitable causes, invest in promising startups, and even create their own foundations. And let's not forget about the joy of giving lavish gifts to their loved ones. But the key here is that they don't just throw their money around haphazardly, they have a strategy for their giving. They carefully select causes and organizations that align with their values and make a real impact in their communities. So, if you're looking to become a millionaire, don't forget the importance of giving back. Not only is it the right thing to do, but it can also bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. Plus, you never know. It might just earn you some good karma and even more wealth down the road. 7. You need to be passionate about what you do in order to be successful. Are you ready to become a millionaire? Well, put on your passion pants because that's what it takes. You can't just half-heartedly pursue something and expect to strike it rich. You have to be so passionate about your work that you're willing to give it everything you've got. Your time, your energy, your heart and soul. It's like a marathon, not a sprint. You have to pace yourself, stay focused, and stay motivated. And when you hit those inevitable bumps in the road, it's your passion that will keep you going. Passion is the fuel that powers success, and millionaires know this better than anyone. So find your passion, cultivate it, and let it guide you to the top. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be mentoring the next generation of millionaires on how to find their own passion and make their dreams a reality. And that's a wrap for today's video on how to become wealthy and live the life you want. I hope you found these millionaire mentoring tips useful and entertaining. Remember, becoming wealthy takes time, effort, and a willingness to take risks. But with the right mindset and habits, you can achieve financial freedom and live your dream life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a millionaire mentoring tip. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.